there's an interesting question that has come in since we are discussing, different kinds of revenue models, especially digital, etc. There's someone called Robin Nirvani who's saying that India currently does not have a pay-per-view system and probably does not have the market now for it. How do you look at it, Vineet, Gautam?
I think Gautam, go for it.
Yeah, look, I think the pay-per-view doesn't exist, and part of it is, mired in, it's a very value conscious society, as we know, right? I mean, I think the issue is any price increase is always seen with, it comes with a significant drop in viewership. So I think it's still a journey in my mind. There is also all sorts of other things happening with telecom and TRAI sort of bodies regulating distribution and pricing. Those conversations are going on in court in some cases. So I think some of that needs to play out. So I don't want to comment on those. But I think once the regulatory system is clearer on what we can do and not do to charge, I think the models will emerge. My own sense is that for very niche models, it will start there, where you can charge a lot of money. See, charging somebody just a nominal sum pay-per-view for an event, let's say you charge somebody 50 rupees to watch a game or something like that, may not make up for all the advertising numbers that today exist. But if it's a niche event, if there are only 2 million people in this country interested in Wimbledon, I'm just putting a number, who interested to pay for Wimbledon, but they may be willing to each pay 1,000 rupees for the Wimbledon, for example. I think those models will start evolving once the regulatory pieces are clear and what we can charge for and how we can charge for. But I don't think it's going to be mainstream in a short period of time, at least in the next 3 to 5 years.
Vineet, your view?
It pretty much seals the thing because coming in from Gautam has obviously a more depth knowledge. So, I mean, I would pretty much echo. So, because see, if you look at it globally, pay-per-view is also very popular for a lot of these sports. For example, boxing, MMA, these kind of models are driven by pay-per-view models, right? Where people are willing to pay that kind of a premium. So, yeah, I mean, I would agree.
I think, Mrinal, I'd just like to, if I can add in, I think we've just reached a stage where we are showing that we have an appetite for multi-sports viewership. I think that's where India is right now in the sports ecosystem. No one would have thought that there would be a specific audience for a Pro Kabaddi League and a specific set of audience for the Indian Super League and a specific set of audience for esports. And now there's so much talk of many other sporting events. So I think we're still at that stage where we first need to capture the interest levels of everyone, and then we could progress into a pay-per-view model. I don't think we're there yet, and we'll probably get there in a little bit of time. But right now, I think it's a good place where we are, where you actually have fans that are tuning in because they are Kabaddi fans and because they are football fans. So I think in time we'll probably get there, but not right now.
Also, the learning curve will come from the OTT SVOD platforms in terms of the way we are responding to them, because that's also great. Because who would have thought that Indian household would pay about 600 or 700 bucks for a Netflix subscription maybe 5 years earlier? I mean, nobody would have thought it, but today that's becoming a reality. I mean, people are subscribing to a lot of newer platforms and avenues to consume content. So yeah, I mean.